Hello students, I am Manisha Patra from Electrical Engineering Department, NIT Raulkela. Today we are going to demonstrate experiment number 4, that is study of strain measurement using strain gauge and cantilever assembly, determining linear range of operation and sensitivity of trainer. So let us start the demonstration. So let us discuss about the apparatus. So first, experimental kit. This one, strain gauge trainer ST2304. Next, digital multimeter. This one. Next, weight, 600 gram weight. Next, screwdriver, taperia screwdriver. So let us start the experiment. So switch on the trainer power supply. Observe the reading of display. It should be 0, 0. If the display reading is not 0, then adjust offset null by using screwdriver. So the display reading is now 0, 0, 0. So here the observation table 1. Here 50 gram, weight is 50 gram. So theoretical strain. By using this formula 6FL by W T square Y, where F is force, mg, m is weight in kg, and g is acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.8 meter per second square, and the length of cantilever is 20 centimeter, in meter 0.2 meter, and width is 2.5 centimeter, that is 0.025 meter, and that thickness of cantilever is 0.16 centimeter, that is 0.0016 meter, and y is Young's modulus, that is 200 into 10 to the power 9 Newton per meter square for stainless steel. Okay, so using this formula we have calculated the theoretical strain. For 50 gram 45.94, for 100 gram 91.87, for 150 gram 137.81, for 200 gram 183.75, for 250 gram 229.69, for 300 gram 275.62, for 350 gram 321.56, for 400 gram 367.5, for 450 gram 413.44, and for 500 gram 459.37. This is the theoretical strain. So we have to write here the display reading. So for 50 gram the display reading is 46. So write here 46. Next for 100 gram. So keep here 100 gram. So for 100 gram the display reading is 92. So next 150 gram. So the display reading is 138. Then place 200 gram. So 200 gram the display reading is 185. Then 250 gram. So the value of display reading is 230. Then 300 gram. So 2 280. Okay. So next 350 gram. Three 26. Next 400 gram. So display reading is 372. Okay. Next 450. So 419. Next 500. For 500 gram display reading is 466. So the table 1 is. Next, plot the graph between weight and display reading with reference theoretical strain. So observe the graph. Next, calculate the linearity. Maximum deviation of display reading from theoretical strain into 100 divided by theoretical strain for 500 gram. So maximum deviation of display reading, that is maximum deviation from the display reading is this one. So 466 minus 459.37, that is 6.63 into 100 divided by theoretical strain for 500 gram. Theoretical strain 459.37. 459.37. So by calculating 6.63 into 100 divided 459.37. So equal 1.443. So next, for measuring the auxiliary output, adjust offset knob. So switch on the power supply, adjust the offset knob slowly to get the auxiliary output 0 millivolt. So auxiliary output is here. So this one positive terminal, this one ground, already written, and keep this multimeter in 200 millivolt range. So switch on the power supply. So here here 0.3 millivolt, but we have to set 0 millivolt by adjusting offset knob by using screwdriver. So here 0 millivolt. So now for table 2, weight is 0, voltage is here, voltage is 0 millivolt, display reading is 002. That is not necessary, but we have to write 002, and sensitivity we have to calculate using this formula. Sensitivity equal to auxiliary output divided by weight in millivolt by gram. So here 0. Next, place weight 5 gram. So this one 5 gram. So place here and measure the auxiliary output voltage 0.5 millivolt. Here 0.5 millivolt, and display reading is here minus, here 002, and sensitivity you have to calculate by using this formula. Auxiliary output is 0.5 millivolt divided by weight 5 gram. So 0.5 by 5, 0.1. So write here 0.1. Next, put 10 gram. So one more 5 gram, add it. So here the voltage is 1 millivolt. 1 millivolt, and the display reading is 0.007, and sensitivity is so for third row 1 divided by 10, that is 0.1. So for fourth row this 12, this one 1.4 millivolt. So 1.4 divided by 15, you have to calculate the value. 1.4 divided by 15, that is 0.093. So likewise you have to calculate the value of sensitivity. Okay. So here 15 gram. So now 20 gram. The value of display reading is 16, and the auxiliary output is 1.9 millivolt. Then for 25 milligram. For 25 milligram, the auxiliary output is 2.3, and the display reading is 20. Next, for 30, the auxiliary output is 2.8 millivolt, and the display reading is 25. Next, 50. Place 50 milligram. So the auxiliary output is 4.6 millivolt, and the display reading is 43. Next, 55. So for 55, the auxiliary output is 5.1 millivolt, and the display reading is 48. Next, for 60 milligram. 60 milligram, the auxiliary output is 5.6 millivolt, and the display reading is 52. So simultaneously simultaneously you have to calculate the sensitivity by using this formula. Okay, so switch off the power supply and disconnect the wire of multimeter, switch off the multimeter, switch off the main supply. So the experiment is over. So thank you all.